Welcome to this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/4 by 1/4. In this case, both fractions have a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 4. To multiply fractions, multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. Multiply 1 by 1, which equals 1, and then multiply 4 by 4, which equals 16. So, 1/4 multiplied by 1/4 equals 1/16. That's our final answer. It's important to note that 1/16 cannot be simplified further. And there you have it. You've learned how to multiply 1/4 by 1/4. Multiplying fractions is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for watching.